What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another video. Today we are going to be starting something brand new on the channel. Week by week we are going to be introducing a new series, so stick around to find out more. So when we first started YouTube, we actually done a mini series of this. We actually asked you guys to send in your PC photos or your setup photos to be featured on the channel. We want to bring this back now that we have grown a bit, and we want to offer prizes to you guys who have the best setups. We could also do a worse setup edition, but we want to see how popular this series can be to begin with. So I now have my lovely fiance helping me with the channel, so we want to try and introduce more content for you guys and bring it out as often as possible. So what do you guys have to do to submit your PC or your entire setup? We are after 10 or more landscape photos of your entire PC from different angles or your entire setup from different angles. We will also accept some footage, guys, if you did want to send that in. If you guys can take a nice pan of your setup, then that is awesome to send in. Everyone appreciates video footage. However, if you're not able to take a nice smooth pan like this example right here, then we recommend either just sending the photos in, a good quality photo, because we will reject bad quality photos, or you can just take a still video clip of your setup or your PC at various angles, and then we will split that up and do the pan ourselves in editing process. Now this will be a weekly event. We will start off featuring about 3 PCs or 3 setups in each video each week. We will be running a voting system down in the comments below, and we will be giving out various prizes to the winners each week. Prizes will be different. We're going to try and get sponsors on board as well to help us with certain prizes and get those sent out as soon as possible. Winners will be announced each week in the following video. Now, if this series is quite popular or successful, then of course we will up the prizes a bit more. We are currently experimenting a bit, trying to sort of get some more content out for you guys. I know you guys did enjoy all of the setup series that we did previously run, so this is something we are going to try. So definitely submit your PC, submit your setups, get in there for a chance to win some awesome prizes, some prize money, and various other little goodies. So here's how to enter. So to submit your PC, we would like you guys to go to wetransfer.com. Once you arrive at the site, if you have not used it before, you'll be prompted with 2 options. Choose the free option, which allows you to send up to 2 GB of files. Once you choose that option, you will come to this page right here. As you can see, we have up to 2 GB of files. This will be able to take your videos and your photos. So what you guys have to do is exactly what I'm about to show you. The email will be to SubmitIFR@gmail.com. Once you have that email address put in, then you simply enter your own email address. And then you head down to the message column. To begin with, we would love to know what your name is, your project name, and then we'd love to know your project's specs. Once you've done all that, if you guys do have a social media, we will be mentioning them in the description of the video, so leave that down below. We will give you guys 1 shout out. Once we have all this information, we'd also like you guys to give us a brief description of your PC, naming any custom things that you may have done to the build. Custom LED lighting, custom sleeved cables, custom backplate, any paint work, anything that you think is custom, mention it down there and just give us a brief description of what you have done. If it is a normal PC, do not worry, you do not have to include that. The specs will be fine. And if it is a setup, then just let us know all of the custom stuff that you've done in the room. And if the PC or the setup itself is themed towards anything in particular. Once you have all that done, head over to this plus symbol here grab your files from on the computer, insert them into here. Of course, we could take video or photos, make sure they are clear, as I said before, and in landscape. Once you have all 10 photos of different angles or 10 video clips of different angles, you can hit that transfer button. Once you hit that transfer button, all of your files will upload and then they will be sent to my email. And once we receive them, we will download them and see if you are eligible to enter. Remember, there will be random prizes for winners, so we'd love to see what you guys are using on a daily basis. So guys, I hope all of that information was clear for you guys. Thank you very much for watching the video. Definitely leave a like and comment down below. Subscribe if you did enjoy this video. Plenty of other videos on the channel to check out. Lots of custom PCs, reviews, water cooling tutorials, and more. Check out our Patreon, guys. We have one up and running now. Your support is greatly appreciated, and we'll see you guys next Wednesday.